So today I'm going to tell about that how we connect front end and back end. So I have created to make those two folders. First is backend, second is front end. In the backend, I have already yesterday told about that how to create the server. So I just export Express, and in this I have already told you, like in this, in Express we are not importing, we using the required syntax. So we make the app, and then we just make one array, and in the array there are 5 objects are there, and then I just make one route, joke route, and I just send the get response and request, and I just send the joke variable, like all jokes are the sended. And then we make the port variable also. When the port my port like I have already stored in my env file, environment variable store in a env file, that we like give the variable name is port. If my my port variable not work, so then it connected like this, or if it's not this work, if it's not work, so this work, one always works. So we listen this our server. So my server is started, then I go to the browser. So this is finally I have made my API. So my API URL is this. Then I go to the front end, and then I close here, and I'm talking about the front end. I'm using a React.js. So I'm talking about that. I will be definitely post how to create the React app. So I'm started to making that. And in the React.js we mostly do the all things are in a app function, because it is app folder, it is very important. So in the React we always not creating the variable, it is also kind of a variable, but like a use state of different name is work but is same. So I just make a joke variable, and in the joke variable is empty joke array. So we using a exhaustion is basically sending a request and fetching a response, and it is mostly used in industry, so that's why I have used this. So this is the URL, like this is my, I have just created the backend in the backend server. This is my backend URL, and I'm fetching from the data, and I have already created that, and I am using this syntax use effect. It is also very important.